Alright, for the last step here, we want to prepare our puzzle pieces to print. So one of the things I've asked is that we put a marking somewhere on here to indicate that it's yours. It can be whatever kind of marking you want, and you could put it on an interior face or an exterior face. Something simple like initials or a logo, whatever you like. I could just put like a real small, like my initials here, and then extrude it just a little bit. And I want to do a remove, just like that. And we'll say maybe like a 0.5 millimeter is probably good. Even like a layer is probably good. But okay, something like this, so that when you print these, you're going to know which one is yours. Because when you print these, you're probably going to want to print them all in different colors. And so it's going to be over a couple of days. And you don't want to get yours mixed up with anybody else's. The second thing that you might want to do is to add a chamfer to the edges. The thing that you're going to run into here is this. As we chamfer these edges, let's see, I'm avoiding purposely the one. There you go with the initials. Okay, so we chamfer all those edges. Looks nice. Just a nice small chamfer. But the problem is when I look at my assembly, if you used the fasten mate with the corners on your assembly, it's going to break your assembly. And so the option you have here, oh, you know what? You got to be careful of those interior ones too, unless you do the chamfer on all of them. So this is something to look at too. So we can go through and we can change our assembly, or what we can do is this. We can make a production version of all our pieces. So we're going to make a new part studio. Call it to print, and I can import those pieces in here. So let's say we'll use this derive tool, and we'll grab each piece one at a time. Okay. And what we're going to do here is we're going to now add those chamfers here to this version of the part. And it basically is the same part, but it's located here. And then if I make changes over here, it's going to update my printed version here. Okay, and so you could even import all your parts in here. So let's do another one. Grab piece 2. Actually, just grab that part. Okay. And then let's move this one. So we're going to go transform by X, Y, and Z. And we'll just go like 20 in the Y direction. Or let's go in the, I guess, the Z direction. Okay, and then here we can again add our chamfers. If it gets angry at you, you might need to just make sure you get all the parts, all the faces. This one doesn't like it. It's unhappy. So we might have to go through and be a little more strategic on this one. So let's go chamfer. And grab this outside edge. And this one. And that face. And that one. And that one. Oop, doesn't like that. Not that one. This one. And that one. Doesn't like that. Interesting. So, anyway, they just won't get the interior on this one. You can grab that guy and that guy. For some reason, it doesn't like this one either. It's like a disconnected edge or something. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we can do these bottom edges, and we'll just skip that interior corner there that he doesn't like. And even grab these guys right there, maybe. Nope. Doesn't like those. So you get what you can. And maybe won't be able to chamfer everything, but anyway, then you can go ahead and print them. So you'll have your initials on them or some kind of logo. Probably want a chamfer on these. You don't have to. And then you can run your prints. Make sure you print them all, or try to print them all in probably different colors. And then you're good to go.